Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the updated process of adding a name to a group on Instagram. This feature is perfect for keeping your conversations organized and making it easier to identify your group chats. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app recently, it's a good idea to check for updates in your app store to access the latest features. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. It resembles a paper airplane. Tap on this icon to enter your direct messages section, where all your chats are stored. Once you're in the messages section, find the group you want to rename. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top if you have many conversations. When you've located the group, click on its name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings for your group. Here, select the option that says Change Name and Image. This is where you can personalize your group further. Now, it's time to write the new name for your group. Make sure it reflects the purpose of your chat or includes all members' interests. After typing in the new name, simply click Done to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a name to your group on Instagram. This simple update can help keep your chats organized and make it easier for everyone involved to recognize what each group is about. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!